Good morning, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am literally playing catch up on the sticker collaboration that's being hosted by Tina at Tina's Craft Creation and Shanita over at Plan to Play. I have other projects, but you know what? My mind just will not let me focus on anything else. Literally, it will not let me focus on anything else until I work on these stickers and this challenge and get in it. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's so much fun. So what I've done is, if you wonder, I'm trying to get this jot thing off the back. It just, I want it off. But I've been rummaging through my stickers. I got a stash of stickers here. And I think one of the first things that I need to do after I am successful with getting this tag off the back, and I'm sure there was a better way. I just started, okay? I'm sure it was a better way to get it off of here. It was just crowding my mind. But one of the first things that I think I need to do is go ahead and number the prompts in the book, which will make it a lot easier for me to find. I know they're on prompt 3, and in this video, it may be a little long. If you decide you don't want to, watch some of it, click off, come back. But today I'm going to try to get caught up in the prompts so that I can be on the same page as everybody else, because we've got, like I said, it's being hosted by Tina and Shanita, Tina's Craft Creations and Plan to Play. But Lisa, Leave It to Lisa Crafts, and Lacey over at the Cheeky Bomb, they decided they were going to jump in too. And so guess what? I want to be in it too. Now I'm going to go ahead and number this and I'll be right back, okay? So I've numbered my prompts in the book. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to take a little time to go back and clean up some of my later pages, because for some reason I got to 152, and I don't know how in the world, but I just skipped all over the 50s and went right to the 60s. So as luck would have it, I have some white out, which I don't like, but I've got to go back and clean those up. But nonetheless, I've numbered my book. Also, I took and I went back through Tina, who's at Tina's Craft Creations, and Shanita, who's over at Plan to Play. I've gone back through their videos so that I could write down the prompts that everybody else has completed as of today. So right now, they have done a stack of books, cactus and succulents, floating leaves, and Lucky Charms. And from what I understand, once I get caught up, which will more than likely try to be today, this video will be a little longer than the other ones will be, I can be on track when they do their postings on Saturdays. So once again, thus far, you've got Tina at Tina's Craft Creations and Shanita over at Plan to Play. They're hosting it. But I believe Lisa over at Leave It to Lisa Crafts and Lacey over at the Cheeky Bomb, they're participating as well. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get started, okay? So since the first prompt is a stack of books, when I looked in the book, I think it's prompt 22. Let me double check. 20, no, I don't know what it is. Let me find it. Oh, no, it's prompt 12. My bad, I'm sorry. I need to get something to keep these open too while I'm working on it. But, okay. So right now, it's a stack of books. And what I have in front of me, literally, I've just gone through my stash of things. Now, here is a stack of books. I could just take and plump the whole thing down, but I don't really want to just do that. But these probably came out of a Temu pack or a bin store. I don't even remember, because I don't have anything to tie it back to, which lets me know somehow this probably was a stack. I probably had them so long I can't really recall. I also, just for prompting measures, I got this pack of stickers. And looking at this, I would assume it probably came from Temu or Shein, or I've never ordered from Shein. Let me stop there. So it probably came from Temu or one of the bin stores. I know this came from a bin store that I was lucky to get some items out of. I like to go, you know, kind of during the dollar days and stuff, because that's the day I seem to find like cool stickers that, nobody's really looking for stickers and stuff like that. So I'm always looking for stuff like this. So, and then through my Ollie's haul, I have this Damask Love. I'm so sorry for the glare. I have this Damask Love set of stickers. The reason I grabbed this one is because I know Tina likes cactus. And I'm sure at some particular point in time, there will be some cactus on here some sort of way. So I grabbed that one. And here are a lot of the other stickers that are on the back. But you know what, really quick, I'm just going to flip through here. Because another thing I liked about this sticker book is it's whimsical. It's fun looking, you know. So depending upon what they select, I'm trying to equip myself with, you know, things I just normally don't just pull out. And I want to be able to have a variety to pull some cute little colorful fun stickers from as well. See, that's cute. Okay, so I've gotten caught up on the prompts that have been prepared up until yesterday. Today is, what is today? Today is August the 16th. So I'm caught up on all of the prompts as of August the 15th. So next week, I can just take and have everything ready for next Saturday. So I've done the prompts for stack of books, cactus, succulents, floating leaves, and Lucky Charms. This wonderful collaboration, once again, is being hosted by Tina over at Tina's Craft Creations and Shanita at Plan to Play. Now, thus far, Lisa over at Leave It to Lisa Crafts has joined in, and Lacey over at The Cheeky Bomb, she has joined in. And so now I am officially joining into the collaboration as well. And so the first prompt, stack of books. Now, I've got these, what's these things? These clip holders on here because I had to use some leaves that had autocollants on the back of them for my floating leaves, and I didn't separate them, and I'm trying to make sure that they stay as flat as possible. So let's go ahead and try to open this up. Oh, let me back up for a second. Let me back up for one quick second here. Although I had originally put out a bunch of other stickers, what I've ended up using for my stickers for this book thus far is, and I'm going to Google this. I had a sheet of this washi sticker paper. I don't even really honestly know where I got it from, to be honest with you. I was surprised when it was sticker paper. When it was washi sticker paper, to be honest with you. But I love this. So I got this. I'm more than likely, what I'm going to do is just take my phone and hone in on it, because I really, really do like this a lot. If I could come across some more, I really would hope to do so. I have this set of washi stickers here that I'm sure came in a different pack, maybe from Temu or the bin store, so long ago. I mean, so long ago. Forgive me, but it's so long ago. Then I have been using some of the stickers out of this Damask Love sticker book that I got from Ollie's for $1.99 a few months back. I've got these two sticker leaves. I've got, well, not sticker leaves. Yeah, these are sticker leaves. I should have just pulled it apart before I started using it, but I didn't think about it. But these came from Dollar Tree. I also pulled out this Lemon Summer set of washi stickers. I got this at some point in time from maybe a bin store because I know I didn't order it. So sometimes I look up and find little things like this in bin stores. So I know I got this. This is by, it doesn't say. It doesn't say. It doesn't give me a specific name on the inside. Let me double check just in case. No, it doesn't give me a specific name, but I can always take and use my phone, and you can too, to just kind of try to see if you can Google and find out where it came from. And also, only ones I've ever really purchased. I got these Main Street decal, wall decals from Dollar Tree some time ago. This was one set. I just tore it apart. I got these, and you know, this is what I've used today to prepare my stickers in the book for this collaboration. And don't laugh at me, but because, you know, I have enough stuff everywhere, I am going to be keeping my little project, my little fun collaboration in this packet here. So when I get ready to look for something, I don't have to just look for 9 million pieces of paper. And I'm going to keep this in here too to keep me straight on what I was supposed to do on the front end. All right, that being said, I've been holding these clamps on here because I wanted to try to keep that page as flat as possible. But at the same time, I was using it like a little paper clip. Shame on me. So here is the first prompt, which is a stack of books. I just basically use all of the, not all of them, but I basically used the washi stickers that I had. This was on the same strip, but I just cut it down and put it in a different place. So that's what I did there. Okay. Then what was the next prompt? The next prompt was, so the next one was a cactus or succulent. I'm not 100% certain that I did that correctly because now that I read it, it said cactus or, not both. But I ended up using both. And here is where I took some of that wall decal and cut it in half. This was one that I cut in half. And then here are just some other succulents. And then I just took some of the stickers here out of Damask Love's sticker book and put them on here. Okay. And then the next one was the floating leaf, but it was turned into floating leaves. This is what I was talking about. You can see a little bit right there. So they puff up a little bit. And so what's going to happen is when I close the book, I'm going to keep it shut tight so that I can try to flatten these out a little bit. But here's what I could do in terms of floating leaves. Okay. And then for Lucky Charm, well, what I did was I thought about the Lucky Charm cereal, right? And so in Damask Love, all of these stickers came out of the Damask Love book. So here's a couple that have the glitter. Here are a couple that are just plain that were on the front page. And so that's what I just created. So everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas to watch as I participate in Tina's Craft Creation and Shanita over at Plan to Play, their sticker book challenge. And so if you're interested, you know, just join in. Here is the sticker book. Well, it's not a sticker book. Here is the 201 drawing prompts book that everybody picked up from Dollar Tree, but it's being used for the sticker book collaboration. If you have any questions about it that I know of thus far, you reach out to me or reach out to one of the ladies that's tagged in the description. Once again, thank you so much for taking the time to tune in while I do this. This was really fun and I really like this. And if you know, I am almost certain that the ladies would like it if you would join in too. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, come back and see me again. And take care. Happy Sunday. Bye-bye.